Pulsars are back. The mentalness, the thrill, the madness is back with the Pulsar 250 series. Wow, this is the Maniac machine, guys. Maniac. Absolute beauty.
Guys, Pulsar has been a brand by itself, and yes, when we talk about Pulsars, the only thing that comes to our mind is the thrill that this motorcycle provides us. The motorcycle Pulsar has been India's #1 sports bike since its inception back in 2001. And when we were young, the only thing we wanted to grow up and buy a Pulsar motorcycle, isn't it? If you have any same instances, if you also did the same with your parents, let me know in the comment section down below. And now, this is 2021. After 2 decades, Pulsar 250 is here with us. Yes, now I'm having with me the Pulsar N250, the naked sibling of the F250. We'll be reviewing the motorcycle, and guys, let me know how do you like about this video. And yes, before proceeding, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Auto Mania, guys, if you haven't done it yet. And yes, don't forget to press the notification bell so that you get the update instantly when we upload any video. So let's get started with the cinematics first. Bajaj has kick-started a new era of its iconic Pulsar family with the launch of the new 250cc siblings. Out of the 2 variants of the motorcycle, the Pulsar N250 is a naked version with a minimalistic yet aggressive front section with a single-piece handlebar. The semi-faired F trim meanwhile gets a bulky front cowl with clip-ons. The Pulsar N250 retains some styling cues from the NS200 but in a fresher avatar. The most distinctive aspect in the front fascia, which compromises an LED projector flanked eyebrow-like slim LED DRLs that looks gorgeous. The LED headlamps also works perfectly in the night time. The edginess and aggression continues at the back with sharp fuel tank extensions and a sleek and raked tail section. As for some features, there is an assist and sleeper clutch for easy and safe gear shifts along with a new semi-digital console. You also get an USB charging port sitting under the handlebar. The 250cc oil-cooled motor of the new Pulsar N250 is the largest engine we ever had on a Pulsar family. The company says it is a free revving engine that offers a meaty mid-range performance. As for numbers, it churns out 24.1 bhp of max power at 8750 rpm and 21.5 Newton meters of max torque at 6500 rpm. It comes mated to a 5-speed gearbox. It rides on a 17-inch alloy wheels with 100 section tires up front and 130 section tires at the rear, and the tires are provided by MRF. Handling the damping duties are 37mm telescopic forks up front and a Nitrox monoshock at the rear, while the braking compromises a single disc at both ends, 300mm rotor up front and 230mm rotor at the rear. Well, it is assisted by a single channel ABS. The fuel capacity of this motorcycle is quite impressive at 14 liters. This motorcycle comes up with the likes of and will compete in India against the Gixxer 250 and the Yamaha FZ25. Talking about the pros, this motorcycle looks spanking good from any angle you see. The Street Fighter looks begs for attention in the Indian roads whenever you take out for a ride. The 250cc engine churns out a very nice performance, and the meaty mid-range is a thing that every Pulsar rider would enjoy the moment you hop onto the motorcycle. And the last but not the least comes the wide networks of Bajaj service stations. So the after-sales service is readily available, affordable and really accessible for Indian customers. But I think only one thing that could have been better, that is the addition of a dual channel ABS. That would have been an icing on the cake. I thank Banerjee Bajaj for providing me the motorcycle for a ride reviews. And well, if you are in Durgapur region and interested in any kind of Bajaj offerings, you can visit Banerjee Bajaj. The details are given in the description box down below. Well, it's time I take these babies out for a ride review.
Guys, we are out on a ride review with this N250. So that's Sumit and Tamang with the F250. So we have already done that shooting. We have done the shooting in the same day exactly. So immediately what I'm feeling in this bike is the handlebar change. The handlebar is a normal handlebar. It's not a clip-on, and there is no visor. So you can feel a little bit lightness. But in that F250, you have the headlight and entire visor is fixed. So only the handle moves. But in this one, the headlight is fixed onto the handlebar. So you can feel little bit of heaviness, very light heaviness, so that's not a problem, but you can really feel it. And yes, the bike feels exactly the same. This bike feels very light, agile, 162 kgs I guess is a curb weight. It feels very agile, nimble, and in off-roading section, let's see how the motorcycle works. No problem guys. These are the bad roads, worst roads I can get in my city. All the other roads are really good. But in this kind of roads, I'm just trying to go on the bad section and see how this motorcycle works. No problem guys. No problems at all. The brakes are nice. The brakes are really nice. The 300 millimeters of front. Brakes have increased in size. As I already said in the video of the F250 that this motorcycle stops at a distance of 2.1 meters from 60 kph. So that is a really nice braking, hard braking. Yes, we have single channel ABS, but that's not an issue anymore because the braking is really nice and consistent. The rear tire won't get locked up very easily. Well, that's the F250. If you haven't seen that review, the details are given in the description box. You can just go over and head and watch that video. I made two videos separately because I wanted all of you to have a proper review. The two different motorcycles. Yes, both are technically the same, but still due to the difference in weight, the headlights is not there, so the handling will also differ. That is what I feel. Oh my God, Chapri spotted. No helmets, nothing, just rev on. I don't think those people qualify to even call themselves as bikers. Those are not bikers, those are Chapri. Oh, ये देखो बात है हेलमेट तो है ही नहीं, फोन लगा हुआ है कान और अब कंधे के बीच में ऐसा टेढ़ा करके एंड राइडिंग. वाओ, नाइस. अब क्या बोल सकते हैं भाई हम लोग को भी. Guys, this bike is feeling really light and nimble in this kind of roads. Means in city traffic you can very easily do easy overtakes and that won't be a problem. Yeah baby, the acceleration is kick-ass. The torque this motorcycle provides past 4000 rpm is just crazy. Just look at it rise. Pulsars are back. The mentalness, the thrill, the madness is back with the Pulsar 250 series. And all this chassis, this new chassis, the engines and everything will be carried forwarded onto the next generation of Pulsars. And well, one thing I would assure you that the engine over here and the engine in Dominar 250, Duke 250, Husqvarna 250, whatever, are all different. This is different from all the motorcycle. It's a brand new engine built from from scratch up. It's not the same engine by any means, guys. So don't get confused that why different motorcycles the same engine. This engine, the N250 and F250 are the same. Other than that, any other bikes, this is not the same at all. It's totally different. Then I love this speedometer more in this motorcycle because there is no fairing, guys. So it's empty. It's all empty, and so the bezel-less view of this speedometer is clearly visible. This will be much better in the night time. The night time, the view will be just mind blowing, and this is the place you spend all your life on the saddle. So you can have clear view, and the foot pegs are almost in the same position as the F250. It's a bit sporty, bit backside towards the back and up, and but the sitting position is different, a bit different. It's not too aggressive. Yes, if you want to be aggressive, you can just lean down and you can push the motorcycle. Yes, I'll be going to highway and try and do that. I want to try to push the motorcycle. This handlebar is a wider one. It's not the clip-ons. So it's a different genre of motorcycle. That is, it's a naked one, that is a fully fed one. You can see in the mirror. I don't know if you can see. I can see in the mirror. Yes, I can see the beast behind me, the F250. I love the quality, the way the quality has changed for Bajaj. It has improved drastically. The switch gear feels good, switch gear and everything. Handlebar feels premium. The digital display feels nice. The overall tank, the build quality feels solid. The seat is comfortable, guys. It's not hard or anything. It is comfortable. Suspension is really well tuned. The front suspension gives a nice. The front suspension gives really nice and positive feedback. Although it's 37mm telescopic front forks and rear one is a Nitrox monoshock. It really gives nice feedback to the rider, and overall this motorcycle feels great. See, it's also stable, no handle wobbling, nothing. It's so stable, guys. So you need to understand both of these bikes is targeted towards the same type of customers, but for different people with different taste. That is a fully fair motorcycle. This is a naked one, so depends upon which one you would like to go for. Like personally speaking, if I need to go for, I like naked motorcycles. That is my choice. So there is nothing to do with the bikes, but I like. One second, there's an ambulance, so let her go. Yes. Whenever you find an ambulance on the road, please let her go first. Don't try to overtake or try to play with the ambulances. Please don't do that. Anyways, bringing me onto the motorcycle. Oops. You see, there is a road blockage. I didn't see. Nice. Every time I push this motorcycle, you get that torque, that kick. I'm falling for this motorcycle. I'm really falling for it, guys. And yes, those who are interested to buy this motorcycle, you can contact Banerjee Bajaj Durgapur if you are in Durgapur region. And I thank them for providing me the support with this motorcycle. I was also there in the launch event. If you haven't seen the launch video, the details are given in the link. You can go and watch the launch video for these two motorcycles. Automania was invited as chief guest, and it was my pleasure to be there as chief guest and share a few words about this bike. Talking about the fuel economy, you can expect a fuel economy of around 40 km to a liter in both of these motorcycles. You need to understand 35 to 40. You need to understand it's a 250cc offering. It's not a 150cc motorcycle. 250cc offering around 35 km to a liter is a decent fuel economy with the updated fuel injection system that helps the motorcycle start in cold conditions just oneself and gives much more better drivability, much more better comfortable engine, and the engine is really leaned up, and it can give you a smoother ride experience. That's what I want to say. The experience of riding these new generation Pulsars are totally different, guys. It is very smooth. You feel the difference from the older generations instantly whenever you hop onto the saddle. Because Pulsar is a brand, it's an emotion, guys. You feel connection of the emotion whenever you're riding this motorcycle. Every time you hop onto the saddle, you get that emotion. That emotion is so important. That emotion is so important when you are riding motorcycle on highways, or you are a biker from heart. A sole biker from heart would definitely understand the difference between riding a Pulsar on a day-to-day basis, because if you have ridden a Pulsar, you know it's a totally different machine. It's a beast. And when we talk about this machine is also mad bike, guys. And I have no questions that Bajaj has done a wonderful job with this machine. We'll push this motorcycle a bit. Wow, this is the Maniac machine, guys. Maniac. Absolute beauty. Wow, 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 wow. Just wow. No words. We also have the phone charger over here. As you can see, the phone charger is over here. You can also charge your phone, get yourself a holder over here, get your phone charged. You can put your other auxiliary lights and all. Although I don't think you need any auxiliary light because the LED headlamp is providing great illumination at night time. I can't show you now, it's bright, broad daylight, but I'm sure I've seen myself at night time. The illumination is great. The LED projector headlamps, the LED indicators, the LED tail lamps, everything is LED. All around is LED. So overall, I'm very happy with the motorcycle. I'm riding at maximum 40 kilometers per hour, 35 to 40 at this speed, and we are at 4,000 RPM. And no juddering at all, nothing. No need to. I just push and show you. We're at 4,000 RPM. I'll just push and show you. We're at 4,000 RPM. Yes, the torque is available. It's there. It's pushing. After 5,000, it gives a kick. Well, this is a crazy machine, guys. Crazy machine. That brings me to the end of the ride review of the Pulsar N250, guys. Let me know, how did you like the ride review? What do you think of the motorcycle? Will it do good in India market? Let me know your comments. Let me know your feelings in the comment section down below. And if you have any questions about the motorcycle, do let me know. I would be more than happy to answer your queries and your any kind of technical questions. Yes, and that's it for the ride review. Let's move on to the next segment.
Guys, when we talk about the pricing of this motorcycle, well, this motorcycle is available at a starting price of only 1.40 lakhs. That's it, guys. The price is really low, and Bajaj has done enough to price this motorcycle very aggressively compared to its competitors. Well, guys, it's time to wrap up this episode of Automania. I will see you in some other episode with some automotive or technical content. And before that, let me know, how did you like the review of the Pulsar N250, the naked sibling of the F250. And if you like what we do, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Automania, guys, for exclusive automotive content. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get the updates immediately when we upload any kind of videos. And I will see you in some other videos. Until then, as I always say, wear your helmets when you're riding, wear your seatbelts while driving, and never drink and drive. This is Proshin Banerjee. You are watching Automania, signing off. Ta-da!